Welcome to my girls' shared bedroom. This week, we are adding the cutest floral wallpaper in here that I've probably ever seen. This is traditional wallpaper, so we are going to use paste to do this, and I'll show you exactly how you can do it yourself. I promise it's a lot easier than you think. Starting by cutting down my initial panel, my measurement was about 29 inches. I'm going to cut 31. You want a few extra inches on all sides all the time because walls are never square. This is the wallpaper paste that I really like to use, and I use a brush like this to put it on the wall before I add my wallpaper. The paste needs to cover the entire wall from edge to edge. always worth it to wallpaper every wall in the room, even the outlet covers, so you get the full effect. I love how the built-ins turned out. Next, we focus our sights on the ceiling.